Hey everyone, gonna do a little unboxing type video today. I have kind of like a harness and gonna be recording this. This is basically a shipment of the newest Pokemon set, Stellar, what am I talking about? Supercharged Breaker. It has been a long day for me. I just got off from my full-time job, so sorry about that. So we have one case of Supercharged Breaker. I want to show you guys what a shipment from Japan looks like, although I'm sure it's not that exciting. But here's the case. Pretty cool. I love the boxes of the cases themselves. I just think it's cool to show off, cool to showcase, but this is how I get stuff from Japan. Go unwrap this carefully. If you guys want to see, there's Tony, Domingo Tony. Probably going to get in that box, inspect it. There we go. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, you make sure there's nothing else in there. And there's Mac. Go. I'm probably going to play some like low music over this since it's just kind of a unboxing. I'll typically try and recycle some of the wrap, but it's pretty well taped there. But here it is. This is Supercharged Breaker. I'm excited for this set. I'm gonna open probably a box myself. It's pretty sealed. Let's go ahead. Boom. There you go. I love opening cases. It's just such a good feeling. Box out here. There it is. Supercharged Breaker. But yeah, this is available on the website, guys. What is it? $49.99. If you're watching this, you can use, if you've never ordered from me before, you can use code Domingo5 for $5 off your first order. We always try and include some extra stuff. There's Tony again. Domingo Tony. Love you, boy. And we do have plenty of stock of some other things. Shiny Treasure, a bunch of Paradise Dragona, amongst other goodies. Thank you guys so much, and take care.